Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure and welcome to the update on XLM. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price on XLM was breaking out a quite long-term down channel. You can see that since after the month of November 2024, it is moving inside this channel. Recently, we have broken out the resistance of the channel, and now XLM is trying to break out this long-term resistance, another quite long-term resistance of 31.2 cents. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 31.2 cents was recently breaking as support, not this one. This resistance was recently working as a support here. If I remove this trend line, then it will be more visible. You can see that it was working as support here. And if we move more back, then you can see that here for a few weeks it had been working as a resistance and here as a support as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive rally that was begun after the breakout from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Fard coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 19th of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart. And by the way, first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for XLM that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that was a garlic pattern that XLM formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. The buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And you can see that the price line was slightly pumped after the completion of the final leg. And if I play this chart, then you can see that it was very close to re-enter the buying zone, but could not re-enter the buying zone here. However, it has started a very, very nice pump and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of XLM, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this big and long-term down channel. And now, recently, we have broken out the channel. By the way, it was moving inside this channel since after 24th of November 2024. You can see that we got several ejections and several touch points and bounces from the support as well. And now we have also broken out this very long-term resistance zone as well. Here, by the way, we broke out a few days ago, and we have retested this resistance as support line and geared up. And by the way, this support line starts from 25 cents, 27 cents, and goes to 25 cents. Recently, it worked as a support line here, resistance here, support line here, support line here, support line here. And for a few days, it had been working as a resistance line here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously, here in the month of January 2022, it had been working as support line, here as a support line, and here in the month of Feb 2021, it had been working as a support line. And therefore, now again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of XLM. On the 7-day time frame chart, still, the price line is breaking out this resistance of the channel. I'm expecting that within next few hours, when this candlestick will be closed, and it will be closed above the resistance of the channel on the weekly time frame chart. However, on the daily time frame chart, we have broken out this resistance, and now we need to break out this resistance of 31.2 cents. And after breaking out this resistance of 31.3 cents, 31.2 cents, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit this resistance line as well. That starts from 45 cents and goes to 51 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several days, it had been working as a resistance here, even for several weeks, and before that, it was working as a support line here as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 64 cents. And now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And this time, after this massive rally, it was very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, but it could not hit this target. It was stuck inside this channel. And the final target for the breakout from this wedge, the bigger wedge, will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.